Normally used to make amazing, natural and beautiful paintings. He always loved painting because he find the activity calming for him. After some times, he starts giving out paintings to friends and family as gifts. Then his friends suggested him that he should start selling the paintings online, thinking it might not be such a bad idea to make extra money, especially for an activity he loves so much. He set up a page online and decided to charge people $20 for each painting. A while after he starts painting to fulfill orders, painting no longer feels enjoyable. It feels like a work, like a duty. Due to being offered money for an activity he used to love, he have lost the intrinsic motivation for painting. Intrinsic motivation is the motivation to do something without any obvious external rewards. His intrinsic motivation to paint has been replaced with extrinsic motivation, which is motivation caused by an external reward, such as money.
Of wanting something or wanting to avoid it. When we study how we get motivated to learn, develop, and succeed, we can identify two contrary forces, extrinsic and intrinsic ones. On the one hand, we want to belong, desire to be loved, and seek to get the attention we think we deserve. We are motivated extrinsically by rewards in order to progress socially. On the other hand, we strive to explore things that are satisfying in themselves, disregarding rewards. We are motivated intrinsically by a natural curiosity which we follow because it feels right. The opinions of others don't matter.
However, replacing his intrinsic motivation for money has actually caused him to feel less motivated to paint. Now, even if he stops selling his paintings, it is unlikely that his intrinsic motivation would return, because he now attributes any enjoyment he derived from painting to the fact that he were being paid. This is known as the over-justification effect. So what is over-justification effect? The over-justification effect describes our tendency to become less intrinsically motivated to take part in an activity that we used to enjoy when offered an external incentive such as money or a reward. So now the question arises that where this bias happens. The over-justification effect occurs for any activity that we find intrinsically valuable. These are activities that we do because we enjoy them, rather than because we use the activity as a means to achieve some kind of rewards. Researchers on this topic shows that giving rewards to kids for studying or for completing homework, etc., may also cause kids to stop studying. For example, if you give chocolate as a reward to your kid every time he finishes a math exercise, and if you ask him, why do you study maths? He may reply that I study maths to get chocolates. As soon as the chocolates are stopped, his studies are going to stop.